Welcome back to my channel. All my viewers, subscribers, my fans, my people, my followers, and every new person who come to visit my channel and watch my content. Welcome back to my channel. Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening, or good night, depending on wherever you are around the world. I'm back again with another video today on this sunny, beautiful day. So today I'm gonna talk about what gonna cause you to be monetized on YouTube in 2025. What gonna cause you to be monetized on YouTube in 2025. So first thing for you to be monetized on YouTube in 2025, first thing that you must have is 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers is the first requirement that YouTube wants you to have for you to be monetized on YouTube. You must have 1,000 or 1K subscribers on your channel. That's the first requirement on your pathway to monetization. And maybe I may want to explain what is monetization, or I may want to define for you what is monetization. Monetization is a process whereby you get to earn money or to get paid on your channel from the content that you'll be posting on YouTube. So that's simply the meaning or the explanation behind monetization. This is the money that you get paid on YouTube upon the content that will be uploading or posting each and every time, each and every day, or each and every hour on your channel. So there's a process to that effect for you to be monetized, according to YouTube LLC company in America, the founder of this platform. So monetization is whereby you get to be paid on your videos, or you earn money on the videos that you'll be posting on YouTube through systems like advertising, marketing, uh, AdSense, watching adverts, affiliate marketing, and some other systems that are applicable on YouTube as far as monetization is concerned. So back to my story. So the requirements are only two. Basically speaking, the requirements are only two for you to be monetized on YouTube in 2025. So like I said, number one is 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers on your channel. Then you are on your way to monetization. Point number two. After you start uploading your videos, or after you start posting your videos, at a certain point in time, maybe after 2 weeks or 3 months or 4 months or 6 months or 7 months or 8 months or even 9 months, even 1 year, they must amount to 4,000 watch hours. They must amount to a total of 4,000 watch hours. And this must be achieved within 1 calendar year, according to YouTube. This must be achieved within 1 calendar year. All the videos that you post before you get monetized, they must amount to a maximum total of 4,000 watch hours. This is the requirement by YouTube company in America. All your videos, they must amount to 4,000 watch hours on your channel. So basically speaking, these are the two requirements that are needed or wanted by YouTube company for you to be monetized on your channel. 1,000 subscribers. Number two, 4,000. 1, 2, 3, 4,000 watch hours on your YouTube channel before you get monetized. So before your monetization, from the day you start posting, from the day you start uploading, all the hours must be a maximum total of 4,000. Then you get monetized on YouTube. So this is the video coming to you from me, Kudzima Zero, today on this beautiful day, just to give each other a reminder, even aspiring YouTuber like me, if a YouTuber like me, if a vlogger like me, and you like shooting content, posting content, or uploading content, I just decided today that we must remind each other on what is needed on our way to monetization. On our way to monetization on YouTube. So to recap everything for you, requirement number one for you to be monetized in 2025, according to YouTube, 1,000 subscribers on your channel. Number two, 4,000 watch hours. 4,000 watch hours. So people should have watched your content on YouTube, and the total of the time that people have spent watching your content must reach 4,000 hours, 4,000 watch hours. If you achieve these two things or these two requirements, boom, you're on your way to money. You're gonna send an application to YouTube, then they'll approve your application. They'll take about 1 month to 1.5 months to approve and review your channel. If they accept everything on your channel, then they will accept your application and you get monetized there and there. So that's how it happens. After you have 1,000 subscribers, you have 4,000 watch hours, you send your application to YouTube. There's an option on your channel called YouTube Studio. You click there, then you're gonna open another tab. Then you go on another section written monetization or N or monetization. Then you click there, you open, then you click, you fill everything needed there. Then you send your application and you wait for 1 month to 1.5 months for YouTube to review your channel, check everything, assess everything, investigate everything. After they are satisfied, after they are happy with your channel, they'll send an email. They'll send you an email to say, we accept everything. Then you are ready to be monetized. So that's how it works. Thank you very much for stopping by and checking out this video about monetization in YouTube content in 2025. So basically speaking, that's how it goes. Thank you very much. God bless you. Remember to pray. Remember to drink water. Yeah, I'm signing out now. Sharp.